Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, it was a very great day today. This is the TPL season, Tuanse Premier League season 2. We are heading towards the prize distribution ceremony. I would like to thank our president, Mr. Jafar Sahib, and all the members, Mr. Sadiq Bhai, Mr. Ayub, and rest of our executive members who have put their effort in making this Premier League a grand success. I would also congratulate the players who have participated and all the members of TCA who are not present here for making this Premier League a grand success. Now I would like Mr. Jafar Bhai and Sadiq Bhai to escort the dignitaries to the dais. I would request Sadiq Bhai to give a brief introduction of our chief guest of the day.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much for all. Alhamdulillah, we concluded the Tuanse Premier League, which was much awaited for all of us. So with grand success, Alhamdulillah, we culminated this event today. To witness the prize distribution ceremony, my friends and colleague, Mr. Abdullah Sultan from DP World, as well as Mr. Ali Al-Hawai from DP World, both are witnessing this event, and I'm glad that they are here to witness with us, and I'm thanking both of them for their valuable time they spent with us this evening. Same time, our elder brother, Mr. Fatahullah, he is among us, but still he is, taken his time to be with us and to congratulate all of you. I am thanking him. And meantime, Akbar Bhai, he is also with us. He is also among us, but he is also took his valuable time to witness this event. And I thank our president, Mr. Jafar Bhai, as well as our sports secretary, Saad, who has put immense, I can say day and night, his efforts to bring this event a successful event. So I'm handing over to Rizwan to start with prize distribution.
Thank you, Sadiq Bhai. Before heading towards the prize distribution ceremony, I would like our president, Zafar Bhai, to present the mementos to our chief guest. I would like Mr. Fatahullah Sahib to please give us some inspiring words.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Respected guests on the dais and Jafar Bhai, Tonse Cultural Association President, and Akbar Bhai from TCA, Sadiq Bhai, and all the respected members and all the players of Tonse Premier Leagues. First of all, Assalamu Alaikum. See, because our distinct guests are there from local UAE, so just I would like to give a brief introduction about Tonse. What is Tonse? First of all these brothers are from Tonse. Tonse is a tiny village, okay, in southern India. It's called Mangalore. So from Mangalore, it is 68 kilometers. So it is near a place called Udupi district. So we all belong to one place. So the effort for Tonse Culture Association, which was formed last year, 1 year before, with all our brothers' efforts, Jafar Bhai, Sadiq Bhai, and other elder members, respected members. So thankfully, under the good leadership of Dr. Jafar Bhai and Sadiq Bhai and other dedicated members, now we completed 1 year. So in this 1 year, a lot of functions, a lot of gathering and everything, many functions, many events were held very successfully. It is unbelievable. I can see that it is unbelievable, and such an organized way, Tonse I have never seen. And we never thought about, this kind of success we will achieve in 1 year. So it is sort of Tonse Culture Association, sort of our, to bring all our Tonse brothers, okay, and into one platform, and from time to time knowing each other, and knowing their well-being and whatever. So Tonse, again, coming back to the introduction, Tonse is a tiny village where around 20,000 people are there. Okay, as per the last census, 20,000 people. So we are on the verge of Arabian Sea on the left side. On the right side, which river? Can anybody tell from Tonse which river is flowing? Suvarna. Okay. So the Arabian Sea and Suvarna on the right side, that comes and to merge in a place called Kodi Bengre. So there are around 10 to 12 islands are there. That is called Kudur. Okay. So it's a beautiful place. It is having a lot of diversity and unity among the people. There are Hindu, Muslims, Christians all living in that city, that village. We have around, you can say 6 temples are there, 8 mosques are there, and even 3 churches are there. Such kind of, unique combination of people are there. And this is the place, from Tonse, you can see also Manipal University. Manipal is one of the well-known hospitals and university, which is also founded by a person called Dr. Tonse Madhav Pai. Okay, so Tonse has its own, talent, own reality, and there are people, doing that, fishing, choir and all. So this is one of the place, and we always call, okay, Udupi, Tonse, we call it like a foreign country for us. When you go there, the neatness, the people there, they are like foreign people. Okay, one of the place called Dubai or Gulf state. So apart from that, okay, all these people, it's nice to have this kind, our people from the same village, and we are knowing each other. We have created WhatsApp groups wherein we try to understand their suffering. If somebody is in need, we try to help each other, okay, financially, whatever. But it is not enough. Okay, the cricket and all what is being played, it is just people to bring together. Okay, so apart from that, we believe that still we can do a lot of things to serve the society. Okay, and last we should not forget, okay, to thank UAE and Dubai especially. Okay, United Arab Emirates, we should thank them for giving us an opportunity to be here. Okay, this is from my experience. I traveled many countries, several countries. I lived in America and all, but I have not seen a country like United Arab Emirates. The vision, the leadership, the beautiful people, you can't see anywhere. The culture, the food, everything is it is a better part of, we say India. Certain part Dubai is a like better version of India, Bombay or whatever. But here, most importantly, I always used to say Dubai is sort of Switzerland of Europe. Okay, so it is a Switzerland of Gulf, I can call it. So always we are thankful to United Arab Emirates, or the children of United Emirates, Arab Emirates, and the leaders, visionary leaders, one of the beautiful people, and we are lucky enough to be part of this country. So we have to be really pray for their for the country's growth, and always we are loyal to that country, inshallah. And inshallah, may Allah make us more success in participating other than cricket in other events, inshallah, for whatever social causes back. Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair.
Thank you so much, Fatahullah bhai. I would request our chief guest for the day, Mr. Ali Al Hawaii, to speak some words for us.
Thank you very much for giving me the chance to.
Yes,
don't
yes.
wanna put it. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to give a speech. First time I attend a cricket match, it was nice and exciting. And the speech Brother Fatahullah gave about Tonse, it's interesting. Hopefully we'll visit it one time. And thanks for being here in the UAE, helping in the development and achieving your dream. And that's it. Thanks very much.
I would request Mr. Abdullah Sultan Hassan Ali to please. 2 minutes.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to join this wonderful event. It's my first time as well to attend any cricket match, even though my company's DP World arranging a lot of cricket match. I'm not attending. It's my first time. I would appreciate everybody around here, and thank you for being here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Let us straightly move towards the prize distribution ceremony. I'll start with the man of the matches for the each matches. So for the first match, the man of the match goes to Mr. Farooq. I request Mr. Khalid Timan Kuduruk please to hand over the prize to Mr. Farooq. Congratulations, Mr. Farooq. The man of the match for the second match, I would request Mr. Akbar Bhai to present the prize. Mr. Rafiq Neja. Thank you, Akbar Bhai. Congratulations, Mr. Rafiq. Man of the match for the third match, I would request Mr. Hanif Sheikh to present this award. The man of the match goes to Mr. Imtiaz. Thank you, Mr. Hanif Bhai. The man of the match for the fourth match I request Mr. Siraj to present the award. The award goes to Mr. Isham. Siraj Kudur. The man of the match, I would request Mr. Shakil Nejar to present this award. The man of the match for the 5th match goes to Ashfaq. Neja Riders, Ashfaq. I would request the team members from Neja Riders to come and take over the prize. The man of the match for the 6th match, I would like to call upon Mr. Asmat to hand over the prize. The man of the match goes to Mr. Riyaz, Hude Heroes. Now I would request Mr. Sadiq to present the man of the match for the final match. The final match, man of the match goes to Mr. Fawaz, Tonse Warriors. Now moving ahead towards the best fielder of the series, I would like to call upon Mr. Ayub Bhai to present this award. Mr. Ayub Bhai. The best fielder of TPL Season 2 goes to Mr. Adil from Royal Challengers, Bengaluru. Now moving ahead towards the best bowler of the TPL Season 2, I would like to call upon Mr. Farooq to present this award. The best bowler of TPL Season 2 goes to Alfaz Totan, Hude Heroes. Now moving ahead towards the best batsman of TPL Season 2, I would like to call upon Mr. Mateen Sheikh to present this award. The best batsman of TPL Season 2 goes to Mr. Riyaz from Hude Heroes. Now moving towards the man of the series for the TPL Season 2 2021. I would like to I would request Mr. Fatahullah Sahib to present this award. The man of the series of TPL Season 2 goes to none other than Mr. Fawaz from Tulsi Warriors. He has scored 78 with highest sixes for the season.
أشهد أن محمد رسول الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله ألا صلوا في رحالكم ألا صلوا في رحالكم حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله
Now, moving towards the runners-up of TPL Season 2 2021, I request Mr. Abdullah Sultan to hand over the prize. The runners-up of TPL Season 2021 Season 2 goes to Hude Heroes. I request the captain, the owner and the team manager to come and collect the prize. Accordingly, the players individually come, maintaining the social distance and collect the prize. We will have a separate photo session. I request the players of Hude Heroes to one by one and come and collect their prizes. I would request the chief guest, Mr. Abdullah, to present the prizes to the players. Alfaz Kochi, Sarfaraz, Nabil, Sajid Ali, Shafiq, Alfaz Totan, Rafiq, Zohair, Abdul Rahman, Riyaz, Abid. Congratulations, team runners, Hude Heroes. Please give them a round of applause. Now, Mr. Jafar, he is the owner of the team. Congratulations, Jafar bhai. Now, for the much awaited moment of the day, the TPL season, Tonse Premier League Season 2 2021 winners for the second time, Tonse Warriors. I request Mr. Ali Al Hawaii to present the prize for the winners. I request the captain, the owner and the manager to come over and collect the prize. Please give them a round of applause. They are the winners for the second time. I request the team players to come and collect their prizes one by one. Mr. Tawfiq, Mr. Arshad, Mr. Tahir, Mr. Fawaz, Mr. Hassan, Mr. Wasim, Mr. Hamza, Mr. Isham, Mr. Afsar Thotan. Congratulations, Team Tonse Warriors. the owner of the team, Tonse Warriors, Mr. Hanif Sheikh. Congratulations, sir, for the second time. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I would like to thank our chief guest of the day, Mr. Abdullah Sultan and Ali Al Hawai, and Mr. Fatahullah Sahib, and also our president and secretary, Mr. Sadiq, and Mr. Jafar and Mr. Sadiq. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the players. Thank you for the sponsors, and thank you everyone for participating in the event. I also thank the live precasting team, Namma Kudla, and also I would like to thank DP World for providing us the ground. Thank you so much. Inshallah, let us see for the next season 2022. All the best. Thank you. I would like to thank our sponsors for the day, Al Hawaii Catering, Gulfstream, Al Awan Catering, Gulfstream for providing us jerseys, TBN Pool, Saim Group, Ocean Building Material, First Call, Al Nayab, Travel House, Inland, Tonse Health Center, Omega, Al Misbah Switchgear, Furniture Studio, Acropole. Thank you so much. I would like to thank Mr. Hadi, the commentator of the day. I would like everyone to give him a please round of applause. And also Mr. Rafiq, Mr. Firoz, Mr. Shabir, and the umpires who have participated, and also the volunteers for the day. From the bottom of my heart, I congratulate and thank you on behalf of TPL. I would also thank Mr. Irfan and Mr. Asif for volunteering the day. I would also congratulate Mr. Saad, the sports secretary of TPL. Please give him a round of applause for making this event a success event. And also, I would also like to thank the organizers of TPL, Mr. Jamil, Mr. Abid, Mr. Fayaz, Mr. Farooq, Mr. Atif, and myself, Mr. Rizwan. Thank you so much.
लास्ट का मैच